Welcome to this overview of PROEX Food processed sweet corn line solutions, specifically with a cut corn example. We specialize in delivering turnkey, fully integrated lines that help processors maximize your throughput, recovery, and quality while reducing your labor requirements and mitigating your chances of recalls. Let's take a quick look at standard process flows, the numerous PROEX Food automation levels and options, and how we support your operations from start to finish. At PROEX Food, we deliver quality sweet corn processing equipment and lines. We are the company investing in the modernization of this equipment and technology. Our one-stop shop approach ensures you have everything you need to create efficient, hygienic, and productive lines. From our best-in-class iNTELLIPRO Husker to our global technology portfolio, our engineering team is ready to customize your line. They are also ready to properly integrate your equipment with modern central controls and thoroughly commission your line. We have many design, mechanical, and additional technology options. And when you need spare parts, we are ready for that. The team at PROEX Food works with you to determine your specific needs. Your in-feed product quality, final product requirements, space budget considerations, and more allow our design engineers to customize your line. A common process flow includes in-feed, a wilter if you commonly have tight husks, an elevator to the building, distribution conveyors, metering hoppers, huskers, inspection and green ear removal, corn cutters, washers, optical sorters, blanchers, chillers, and metal detectors. Depending on if you are canning or freezing, some process steps and the packaging machinery will match that need. Then, on to final case packing and palletizing. The layout, machine models, and technology integrations are customized for you, as your needs are absolutely unique. The goal is to grow and scale with you, with the right mechanical, digital, and perhaps even robotic technology that makes sense for your specific growth plan. The PROEX Food iNTELLIPRO Husker is designed to be integrated into a digitally enabled line. Whether you take advantage of that technology or not, it is the highest performing mechanical husker in the market. This is the only husker from a US company that has a modern design with several performance options to choose from. We also have models and features for fresh sweet corn and seed corn operations. This unit comes in 4, 8, 12, and 16 lane configurations. Our husker and in-feed shaker are made to fit the same footprint of Hughes and A and K huskers. We have many features that set us apart, including options for one-touch clamshell opening, HMI controls, water, nubbin eliminators, and more. When you want an efficient, made-to-last husker, look no further. Now let's take a quick look at a line in operation. This particular line has some of the features we talked about earlier, and a custom line design that was optimized for this customer. This custom line has a metering hopper at in-feed. Because this customer has regularly tight husks, we integrated a wilter to help loosen them. From there, an elevator takes product into the building for processing. A distribution system evenly spreads the load. Metering hoppers help feed each husker without overloading them. This line is equipped with central controls and an HMI. Here you can see the cobs as they exit the husker. This line has manual QA and green ear sorting, and we have options to automate that. Here is a view of this line's hand-fed cutters, and they can handle the product as fast as the operators can load them. The conveyor table was also optimized for operator ergonomics. Here's a close shot of the cobs through the cutter. A reminder that we have automated orientation and load options. The cutter head aperture is set to maximize recovery while minimizing core cuts. Look at these beautiful cut kernels. Here you see a roller-style scalper to separate product and trash. There are many options for trash removal. From here, the cut kernels are off for washing, optical sorting, potentially blanching and packaging. They can go to a canning or IQF line. Let's keep going. Our iNTELLIPRO Connect platform enhances collaboration and data-driven decision-making. All PROEX Food turnkey lines currently come with the Essentials plan, giving you digital access to your manuals and parts lists, plus support ticketing. Connect Plus opens you up to the world of industrial IoT, including data aggregation and dashboard reporting. Connect Plus also has options for preventative maintenance checklists, step-by-step instruction, and more. For higher capacity cut lines, we offer several options for automated cutter loading. From mechanical stair steppers to next-generation robotic orientation and loading, we are flexible to your capacity and budget. We are exploring new technology every day so that you can maximize your throughput, quality, and profitability. Who else is doing that for you? When you are ready for robotics, PROEX Food is the only processing machinery OEM offering to do this advanced work for you. We know how this can transform your business and know how to do it at a reasonable cost. From robotic saw, loading all the way through palletizing, we have several options to integrate this transformative technology in your operation. Don't forget, a robot is consistent all day long and never calls in sick. PROEX Food provides extensive after-sales support to keep your equipment running smoothly. We stock many parts in multiple warehouses and are ready to help you minimize downtime. We also offer several annual spare parts kits. Thank you for exploring our cut sweet corn solutions. The PROEX Food team is here to help you achieve your processing goals with customized, innovative systems designed for long-term success. Visit our website at proexfood.com, call us at the numbers there, or email us at sales@proexfood.com for more information or to discuss your project. We look forward to working with you.